Hi guys, good afternoon, and so welcome back to my daily routine about my vlog about the practice and speaking English. So guys, I just come back from university, and because today in afternoon I have a middle text about Al Quran and Hadith, and yeah, I'm finished uh about my segment today. So uh I'm so that's why I'm uh back so early because I wanna make video. So today guys I wanna tell you about the pet story. Maybe one 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 week, yeah, maybe 1 week. I order I order the lip serum at Shopee, but I'm not check so detail about the profile, about the likes, about the follow, and then over anything. Just I just mm, just I see the the product, and the and if I buy there, I yeah yeah if I buy the lip serum, I get 3 in 100. Yeah, in 100. So I check. I'm not check again about that, but um, yeah, I'm so stupid, guys. But yeah, um, but yeah, I check it. I buy it. But guys, um, if the product is come to me, and and I open the product, and I'm so shocked because it's not like I buy in the Shopee. It's so different. And now I'm check out again in TikTok, and ta-da! See, it's come today, and it's so expensive, guys. To maybe 18.3. Why I choose that? Because I wanna have I wanna have a beautiful lips, so that's why I buy it. And yeah, it's this is the Glad to Glow Brightening Lip Serum Strawberry Glass Pink here, and that's one. Wait, I buy one, but I get two, and is Glad to Glow Brightening Lip Serum Berry Soda. It's strawberry glaze. Uh, this is strawberry glaze, and this berry berry soda. And so yeah, you know the color it's very beautiful. Guys, I like it. I like the color, and the packaging is so beautiful, so cute. So that's why um you know I learned from yesterday. Learn about yeah, like maybe for before I check out again in Shopee, I wanna check so detailed about it. So I wanna share to you about the Cleticular Bataning Lip Serum, guys. So strawberry glaze, and it's bee foam. Can see, guys, it's bee foam. It's bee foam, and the ingredients from the lip serum is lip serum strawberry glaze is petrolatum, hydrogenated polyisobutyl. I don't know. It's so hard to reading, but disastrously I don't know. But how to use that is first you make a play directly to clean lips. First you must have a clean lips and as often as needed and two next can yeah we can be said dye and night alone or under other lips products. Yeah, you can use the classical brightening lip serum daily in day. You can use that in night. We can use that, and uh, yeah, like I said, guys, and the berry soda look like that. I'm not one to use right now because maybe 1 week again. But the ingredients it's yeah same like strawberry glaze, but maybe yeah same like that. But the difference is this is the strawberry and berry. Yeah, like that, just like that. And how to use same like use strawberry glaze, same like that. And yeah, so um actually, guys, I'm not so like to use makeup in my face because because I'm not confident. I'm not confident to use makeup, so that's why I'm not use makeup in my face because uh I'm not usually to use that in my face, so that's right. So that's why I'm not used the so that's why I'm not used the makeup in my face. And besides, I'm not confident to use makeup. Uh, Beside that, I don't have money to buy makeup from my daily activities, so that's why maybe I'm not used the makeup in my daily. But maybe if I have a lot of money, I wanna I wanna learn to how to use makeup in my face. So guys, I wanna open it and see the product, but it's so hard to open it because like I guess they have the circle here. and I love the packaging. It's so cute. I love it. And yeah, but for that, and let's try. And yeah, bye guys. And ta-da! Oh, sorry, ta-da! Ready, guys? Here we go. Ah, it's so cute. See, guys, so cute. So cute. I like it because wow, 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 wow. Ah, it's so cute, guys. Mm. So cute. I like it. It's so beautiful, right? So cute, guys. So it's so easy if you wanna take it to anywhere you want. So it's so easy to if you wanna if you wanna if you wanna bring it anywhere you wanna go. So and yeah, wait guys. Okay, maybe just that. So maybe I want to use that in next time. Oh yeah, guys, I forget to ask, do you have your lunch today? And if you not, maybe you can go to your kitchen. After that, take some rice, take some shredders, and enjoy your lunch, guys. And yeah, guys, actually I'm so very tired right now because I'm so my head it's sick so sick to think uh about anything. But tonight I wanna do my activity like usually. After is a prayer with teaching until 11 o'clock for now. From last night we not learn until 10 o'clock, but we learn until 11 o'clock. And you know, guys, it's so long time to learn about. But yeah, beside that, um it's okay. It's not a big problem to me, but for the children, for my students, it's they have they have also like a big problem to her because yeah, you know, like I say, make like wait guys, like yeah, I can say anything from that to that. But yeah, I hope what I teach to them it's so good to them, guys. So guys, maybe I think that's that from my video to evening. See you and see you at night video, guys. I hope you always healthy, guys. Bye.